Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any particular YouTube channel, any video, how you can generating backlink for automatic backlinks. That is the purpose we have to use in for Nimtools.com. So recently I'm making a video for the backlink purpose on the my particular YouTube channel. So am I unable to YouTube short generating backlinks? That is a call. Any YouTube short video we can copy, paste on your backlink generator. So we can go with copy the URL, submit. They show for enter your domain name wrong. So what we can do this in a short, we have to replace watch question mark v is equal. Same video, it will open will be like this. Now the open will be like this. Same video. So what will happen when you click for submit? They will generate a backlink. Only one I'm changing will be in a shorts place where it is showing for this short and I backslash place. You can adding will be option name is called watch question mark v is equal. So that is I'm adding for the particular YouTube Shorts option. So finally, what we can call we're generating for backlinks. So this link will be genuine or wrong. Everything will be genuine. Any YouTube Shorts video we can play for long video. The simple option Shorts black slash we can remove it. In replace of this Shorts place is equal to watch question mark v is equal. This is your replace for the particular YouTube shorts we can play it for long video purpose. So this is a method link will be changed and get the backlink for nimtools.com/ YouTube backlinks generated. So this is a method you have to follow. Generate the backlinks each and every YouTube video for long video and a short video and increase your more views. People like your video, they get your subscriber channel. So same like that, some videos are will be attractive. Same like we can follow, will generate will be other videos also. So please follow these backlinks, automated backlinks. So NIM tools, any generating spam content, not like that. So that is called we can utilize them and get the backlink for your YouTube channel, increase the views. People like your video, they can click the subscriber also. So if any further question about YouTube videos, please contact my channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.